Next project that we're going to visit about, of course, is one of my favorite projects because it's already complete. This is where we are now housing and where we're sitting actually at the BC Workshop, which is an architectural firm originated out of Dallas and now has an office in Brownsville. They were part of the original presentation of how we were going to go about doing the restoration of the downtown area that started about 3.5 years ago on the planning stages. We bought a series of 3 buildings that housed, I think, some cafes and perhaps maybe a bar, and turned it into not only an architectural place for the BC Workshop, but then we have a common area with a conference that allows the TSC architectural program as well as the city planners to come visit with the wonderful people there here at the BC Workshop. And then we've added the third part of it, which we had originally had not considered exactly what needed to be done with, but eventually the Stargate program that is part and parcel of the SpaceX project. The Stargate, for everybody's information, is approximately 27 students that are in the astrophysicist department of the University of Texas, and they will be actually monitoring and keeping track of all the satellites in the universe. It was one of those projects that, of course, many of our students are actively engaged in, and they have a wonderful time and a wonderful program with some wonderful professors. And so then again, you're going to infuse again the youth and the intelligence of some of our brightest and best in the downtown area. What this does for us, in accordance with what we have learned, is bring the energy of the young. When you have the performing arts and you have people doing creative things, and you have people talking about the outer space, and when you have people doing design work, and you take not only what we look for in the future, but we take the past, because all of these buildings have a story to tell. And so what these guys are going to do is bring it to life. So we're very proud of this project in particular, because not only did the BC Workshop help us bring it to fruition, we also are now, they're being part of our community, and that says volumes for the city. And again, not only have we as a community started to believe or have believed in Brownsville, but we're getting other folks to believe in Brownsville, and that's just a great, proud tradition to have.